Adhesive manufacturing, AM, has emerged as a powerful technology for the production of high-strength, low-cost alloys. Although there is no direct comparison of the process-to-product relationship, AM has enabled the development of better controlled and more accurate simulations of alloy composition and structure. Metallurgical defects and microstructures are discussed in detail, highlighting the significant contribution of each process step. Using property maps, published mechanical properties of AM processed alloys are graphically summarized and compared to conventional counterparts. This provides an up-to-date picture of the progress made in the development of high-strength AM alloys.
This article is titled Additive Manufacturing of Metals, a brief review of the characteristic microstructures and properties of steels, T6L4V and high-entropy alloys, and was authored by Stéphane Gorsse, Christopher Hutchinson, Mohamed and Rajarshi Banerjee.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.